Hi, this is Matt and you're watching PowerPoint Math. In this video, I will teach you the operations involved in sets, specifically the difference and the complement of sets. Let's start with the difference of sets. The difference of A and B, which is denoted by these symbols, are elements which belongs to A but which does not belong to B. Here I have set A, whose elements are 1, 3, 5, and 7. We also have here set B, whose elements are 4, 5, 6, and 7. The difference of A and B can be illustrated this way. Consider this rectangle as the universal set containing all real numbers. Inside of this are set A and set B. Merging the two sets will result to this one. However, since we need to solve A minus B, then we have to deduct the elements of B in this diagram. The remaining elements would be 1 and 3. Thus, A minus B is equal to 1 and 3. Let's have another example. Here I have set E, whose elements are 2, 4, 6, and 8. We also have set F, whose elements are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now to answer the problem, set E minus F, here's what you need to do. Search for elements that are both in set E and F and deduct those elements to set E. Here, element 2 is also in set F, so we need to eliminate 2. 4 is also an element of F, so we need to delete this as well. Now what elements remains on set E? That's elements 6 and 8. Thus, set E minus F is just equal to the elements 6 and 8. It can also be illustrated using this Venn diagram, such as this. The complement of a set. The complement of a set A, which is written using this symbol, is the set of all elements found in the universal set U that are not found in set A. In other words, complement simply means all of the elements not including the specified set. Here's an example. Let the universal set be elements 1 to 10. And let set A be 3, 4, 7, and 8. Our goal is to find the complement of A. Consider this rectangle as the universal set containing elements 1 to 10. Now inside this universal set is the set A, which contains numbers 3, 4, 7, and 8. Now saying the complement of set A is just similar as saying as all elements in the universal set except the elements in A, which is 3, 4, 7, and 8. Now what elements remains if we deduct those elements? We have 1, 2, 5, 6, 9, and 10. And that would be the complement of set A. Let's have another example. Here we have a universal set U whose elements are numbers from 1 to 12, which is also illustrated below. Let A be set containing 5, 6, 9, and 10. And let set B contains 6, 7, and 8. Now here's the problem. Here it doesn't only involve complement but also union. So here's what you need to do. We solve first the union of set A and B. Union of set A and B simply means combining all of their elements. So A union B is just 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If you want more details about union of sets, then please consider checking my videos about union and intersection of the sets. Link is in the description. Okay, now that we know the elements of A union B, it's time for us to determine its complement. Since we're talking about complement, then this means that the answer to the problem are all elements of universal set except the elements of A union B, which is these elements. So we delete all these elements in the universal set. This is how it looks like in the Venn diagram. Now the remaining elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, and 12. And that would be the final answer.